Good day, fellow masterminds. Jimmy Schwinn here. Hope you're having a wonderful, productive, and blessed day. I'm going to do a real quick update video here. You might see me look over here. I have my little recording stuff, this thing here. So I might actually put that down there to keep me on time, but I don't want it to be in the way because you can see me again here, right? So I'll move it over, but you might have me looking at that. I want to keep it under 10 minutes. Should even be shorter than that. But I wanted to give you an update real quick, video-based. So yesterday I sent you out an email that I turned this on. I started turning this on this week. This is the autoresponder messaging that I wrote. This is the training, both copy, and then it links out to a video page. This is again in the back office under the mastermind training step by step, but you want the emails and you want to follow through with what copy, what I've written in the emails also on the page itself. And I'm going to be adding a few more of these over the weekend. I'll have them out to about 2 weeks. This is going to be about, say, a 21 to 30 day step-by-step program that helps you get your business online properly so that when you do start giving away your lead magnet or bait, whatever you want to call it, lead magnet to get people to get on your list, or the bait you're going to give them, whether it's lead magnet or bait that you're calling it, it's all about giving value for free to your dream client or your ideal customer profile. So these step-by-step are now going to be sent out by me to you directly, since the autoresponder is not going to do it. And I am sorry for that. Let me get a little water here. But it doesn't have the capabilities in ClickFunnels to do that. So I will be sending that out. What I'm going to do is, like I'm sending out a broadcast, like in ClickFunnels here, I have a broadcast, and then this is the first getting started email. And I will send this out. I think I told you I would send it out today, so I'm going to find the best time to send it out and send it out for you today. And then I will be sending this one out. I'll time it for tomorrow. And then this one will go out next week. And then this one will go out a few days after that. And then as I build these out, most of you folks, I think I have about 700 and some people that actually followed through and fully registered for free in the mastermind webinars. But now I'm starting to advertise. So new people that come in will get these messaging on the right days. But most of you are way beyond this 30-day period of time as a free member of mastermindwebinars.com. So I will have to send them to you through the broadcast capabilities. But also, this is my personal site. And by the way, I will be teaching you how to build your own site with your name so that you can, control your reputation with a lot of different articles I have up here. I think there's like almost 135 articles. But let me go over here to the mastermind. Sorry, my nose itches. I got the allergies going on here from the weather. Let me look over at the time. We're at 3 minutes and 33 seconds. So let me go quickly here. So go to member login. And it's going to already open up because I'm already in there. So under here, you would watch this first. Then you watch this second, this third, fourth, and then I will have, so step one, you're going to watch it first, and step one, step two, step three, and this weekend I'll have step 4, step 5, and maybe step 6 completed. I have 9 steps so far, and what this training is going to take you through the steps that I go through with my business partners. I actually implement it for them. That's the reason I'm a partner in these businesses, because I actually implement this stuff for them. And then also clients that I have and that I do continually get, that I actually take them through this process, whether we're doing it with them or we're doing it for them. This is the process that I take them through so that we can get their business online properly. So when they do start throwing that bait, throwing that lead magnet out there in order to get their ideal customer profile or dream client, to give them their email address, which is a micro commitment, right? I'm giving you something of massive value, like here with the mastermind webinars. I'm giving you the mastermind webinars at massive value for what? Your email address? for your email address, and then on the next page you have to give me your email address again and choose a password. That's all you have to do. And you're getting access. So that's a very little commitment to be able to get access to this training, and then the other training and the other perks that I'm putting in here that are for free. So it's a very little micro commitment, and that's what you're going to do with your target market, your dream client, is create something that helps them solve a problem. Like what I try to do for people, most businesses that market online lose money. I mean, they're so far in the hole of making money. They're losing money all the time. I think I have this open here. I'll show you something real quick. And I have put this on different videos before, but let me see if I can go to the ads. Facebook is always changing this. And I'm going to say something about Facebook. Make sure that you're getting them to, you're getting these people to come to your page. Get off of Facebook. Drive people to your page. Use them for retargeting. That's what they're good for. They're good for retargeting. So I ran a program back in July 13th through, I think, hold on, let me go here. I think it was around July till, let's say, I think August 31st. Let me go back here to July. Go from July 1st to August 31st, update. And I want to show you something here so that you see that I know what I'm talking about, okay? So I click on this here, and you can see down here, this is a company that I'm a partner in called Bodyline.com. It's energy wellness, okay? So what I did here mainly was retargeting. Now you can, there are some likes that we pay for, you know, to get people to like the page, our target market to like the page. But you can see I spent $1,556 and made $5,096. So when you look at the return on ROAS, which is the return on ad spend, we got, the lowest we got was 1.20, and the highest we got was 14 times our money. 14 times 0.6, 14 times 0.40, 11.71. So I'm showing you this not to brag, I'm just showing you this because I know what I'm doing. And you know, this training that I'm giving you, all the things that I know how to do personally is going to be back in this training platform for free for you to help you with your business. So make sure that you take a look out for the keep a lookout for these emails, and I will be sending again. This first one will be coming to you tomorrow, or I'm sorry, today, and then I will be sending you out the next one on Saturday. Step 1, market need, and then step 2, secret formula will be, I think, probably Tuesday, and then 3 days later, and then 3 more days. But I have to do this for the folks that have already been in the platform for a while. The new ones coming in, it happens automatically. But for those of you that have been in over 30 days, it's not happening automatically, and I've got to do it manually, which I want to do it because I want you to get the value that I'm sharing with you. So thank you very much. It's 8 minutes and 48 seconds. God bless. Have a wonderful day and get some things done. Move your business forward. The most important word in business is progress. Make progress every day, except your day of rest, but make progress. God bless. Have a wonderful day, and talk to you next time.